During the opening of the new law year at the Kampala High Court yesterday, Justice Minister Norbert Mao said they were in the process of taking to Cabinet a policy that would facilitate the use of alternative dispute resolution.
We will be taking to Cabinet soon the final copy of the National ADR policy, and I do believe that it will be followed with an act of parliament. It is important that we should go beyond litigation. My call is therefore that alternative dispute resolution deserves attention, especially in legal education.
Today, we reached out to lawyers who have welcomed the move, saying it has been long overdue.
It's very good to look at all these facts, and people usually know them. Just sit down and really a heart-to-heart and, have your matter resolved in the quickest of time and save your time. That is it. This is what ADR does.
Because there are so many cases in court which would be resolved if there was emphasis on mediation and possibly even arbitration between the parties, such that they don't have to wait for the judge. So many cases clogging up courts.
But these are calling on the judiciary to conduct more training for the people who would be handling the dispute resolution.
That the law is coupled with other supportive mechanisms like having well-facilitated and well-trained people to do the mediations, for instance.
I think on-work training and understanding of these processes in workshops regularly for judicial officers, in my opinion, will go a long way to help judicial officers.
The local administrative leaders say that there are cases that should never reach courts.
Some cases are sent to courts without participation of the local administration or the local leaders. I still believe there are cases which can be solved on the local level without going to court.
The intention is to reduce case backlog in the country, but some also believe this would help create harmony among the would-be litigants.
And that in itself makes people live harmoniously within the community, especially where parties are, for example, neighbors. This can help communities live in harmony further.
Most of the cases have an inclination to land disputes. That most times can be resolved if fully parties go into mediation, and the mediation which is fully supported, which is given time. If you look at commercial disputes, which are in the commercial court and many facing backlog, some of them could be resolved through mediation. If you look at family disputes, which make up a backlog in the family division of the High Court,
the alternative dispute resolution was mostly prominent seen in a case where Matthew Kanyamunyu formally acknowledged guilt for the murder of Kenneth Akena in 2020 and then asked for forgiveness. In the ceremony held at the Acholi Chiefdom, Kanyamunyu was asked to pay 10 cows and 3 goats by the elders in Acholi as reparation to Akena's family. Some believe that this matter helped speed up his murder trial, resulting in a 5-year prison sentence. Juma Kiria, NTV.